Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. When iodoform is heated with silver powder, compound A is produced. When compound A is passed through a red hot iron tube at 600 degrees centigrade, compound B is produced. So, what is compound B? Choices are 1. Benzene, 2. Cyclohexane, 3. Ethanol, 4. Butane. Answer is 1. Benzene. Explanation we will see in the next slide. When iodoform is heated with silver powder, acetylene is produced. So, our compound A is acetylene. When acetylene gas is passed through a red hot iron tube at 600 degrees centigrade, benzene is produced. So, our compound B is benzene. Thank you for watching this video.